Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're solving a frustrating issue: Starlink not showing up on your devices. If your phone, tablet, or laptop can't find the Starlink network, here's a step-by-step fix updated for 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, check if your Starlink router is powered on. If the lights aren't on, unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Step 2. Open the Starlink app on your smartphone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Tap on Settings and look for device status. Step 3. If it says offline or disconnected, try a network reset. In the app, go to Advanced, then select Factory Reset. Step 4. After the reset, your router will restart and broadcast a default Wi-Fi name. Wait 2 to 5 minutes and check your phone's Wi-Fi list again. Step 5. Still not showing? Check for interference. Move the router away from large electronics or walls and retry. Step 6. As a last resort, check cable connections on the dish and power supply. Replace any damaged wires. And that's it. Your Starlink should now appear in your available networks. If this helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tech fixes.